Book of Heaven, Volume 12, November 15th, 1918. How One Can Live at the Expense of the Sanctity of Jesus. I was thinking, what would be better, to think about sanctifying oneself or to occupy oneself only before Jesus with repairing him and to seek at any cost, together with Jesus, the salvation of souls. And blessed Jesus told me,
"My daughter, one who thinks only of repairing me and of saving souls, lives at the expense of my sanctity. In seeing that the soul wants nothing other than to repair me, and echoing my inflamed heartbeat, she asks me for souls. I see in her the characteristics of my humanity, and taken by folly toward her, I make her live at the expense of my sanctity, of my desires, of my love, at the expense of my strength, of my blood, of my wounds, etc. I can say that I place my sanctity at her disposal, knowing that she wants nothing other than what I want. On the other hand, one who thinks about sanctifying only herself lives at the expense of her sanctity, of her strength, of her love. Oh, how miserable will she grow! She will feel all the weight of her misery and will live in continuous struggle with herself. Instead, for one who lives at the expense of my sanctity, her path will flow placid. She will live in peace with herself and with me. I will watch over her thoughts and each fiber of her heart, and I will be jealous that not even one fiber may not ask for souls, and her being may be in continuous pouring of itself into me to repair me. Don't you yourself feel this jealousy of mine?
thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.